Here's a solid and affordable gaming setup that gets the job done. We're running the AMD Ryzen 5 8400F, a great budget CPU that handles gaming and everyday tasks with ease. It's paired with the Gigabyte A620mH motherboard, keeping things simple and reliable. The GPU is the RTX 4060 Twin Edge, perfect for 1080p and even some 1440p gaming with great efficiency. For cooling, we've got the Decool AG500, which keeps temps low while staying quiet. Everything is packed into the compact and clean Macscreen 350 case. Great performance without breaking the bank, this one's all about value.